What if the future of your crypto portfolio depends on just 8 coins? Let me show you the only picks I'm betting on for massive growth. With Donald Trump's pro-crypto agenda, Coinbase's unwavering support, and Hester Peirce's balanced regulatory push, the crypto industry is on the verge of transformative change. Add to that Gary Gensler's resignation and Trump's crypto-friendly vision, and we're looking at a potential regulatory and market revolution. Don't let these changes pass you by. Missing out on these altcoins now could mean watching others profit while you're left behind. Stick around till the end of this video as I reveal the only 8 altcoins I'm buying right now, the ones that could lead the charge in this new era. Enough talking? Let's join Crypto Hunt and get straight into the video. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Terra Classic, $LUNC, has gained traction in the crypto space due to its resilience and ongoing community-driven initiatives. As a prominent altcoin, it continues to attract attention for its unique features and market activity. $LUNC plays a crucial role in the DeFi ecosystem, offering decentralized solutions and staking opportunities. Ranked hash 135 in the market, it has maintained its relevance, reflecting its popularity among investors and developers in the blockchain space. One of $LUNC's standout features is its robust ecosystem, leveraging its community for constant updates and improvements. This adaptability makes it a key player in decentralized finance, ensuring low transaction costs and scalability. The token is widely used for staking and governance, allowing holders to participate in decision-making processes that shape the future of the Terra Classic ecosystem. Its collaborations with various decentralized projects further enhance its utility and credibility. Currently, $LUNC has a market cap of $630.5 million, with a circulating supply of 5.51 trillion tokens. This suggests strong market engagement, even with its large supply, indicating potential for long-term growth. Experts suggest that $LUNC's value could see a significant increase, especially with its active community backing and ongoing ecosystem improvements. Projections hint at a potential 5x to 10x return as adoption grows and market conditions stabilize. For investors, $LUNC presents an exciting opportunity but comes with inherent risks. Diversify your portfolio, invest only what you can afford to lose, and keep a close eye on updates to maximize your potential gains. Magic Eden, $ME, is revolutionizing the NFT marketplace as one of the leading platforms on the Solana blockchain, offering low fees and fast transaction speeds. Ranked at hash 180, it has gained significant traction among NFT enthusiasts and investors. $ME plays a vital role in the NFT ecosystem, enabling seamless buying, selling, and trading of NFTs. Its innovative approach and user-friendly interface have made it one of the top destinations for NFT creators and collectors. What sets $ME apart is its unique feature of aggregating NFT collections across blockchains, ensuring users get the best deals. Additionally, its staking and reward systems provide incentives for active users, enhancing the overall experience and adding value to its token. Currently, $ME has a market cap of $378.33 million, with a circulating supply of 129.75 million tokens out of a total of 1 billion. This strong market presence reflects growing investor confidence and a robust foundation for long-term growth. Market experts predict that $ME could achieve 5x to 10x growth as the NFT market continues to expand and blockchain adoption rises. With its strong position in the Solana ecosystem and continuous innovations, $ME is well poised for substantial gains. For those interested in $ME, now is an opportune time to explore its potential. Engage in the ecosystem, but remember to diversify investments and manage risks for a balanced portfolio. Stay informed to maximize returns while navigating market fluctuations responsibly. Could dollar drift, be the next big thing in decentralized trading? Here's why everyone's talking about it. Dollar drift, is making waves in the DeFi world with its seamless perpdex platform and robust trading ecosystem. With its current rank at hash 236, Drift showcases its potential as a game changer in decentralized finance. In the DeFi sector, Dollar Drift plays a key role in offering efficient perpetual trading options with high liquidity and low fees. Its popularity is steadily rising, gaining traction among traders who prioritize speed and reliability. What sets Dollar Drift apart is its cutting-edge technology, providing instant order matching and reduced transaction fees, making trading smoother and cost-effective. With these features, it outshines many competitors, setting new standards in the perp space. The Dollar Drift token supports perpetual trading, liquidity provisions, and staking rewards, creating a well-rounded ecosystem. Its partnerships with Solana and other blockchain leaders ensure a strong technical backbone and future scalability. Currently, Dollar Drift has a market cap of $300.58 million, with a circulating supply of 269.75 million tokens out of a total 1 billion. Compared to similar tokens, its market cap reflects steady growth and significant investor confidence. Experts predict a bright future for Dollar Drift, with potential price growth of 5x to 10x as adoption of decentralized trading platforms accelerates globally. Its strong fundamentals and unique features position it as a top choice for growth-minded investors. If you're considering Dollar Drift, now might be the time to explore its potential. But as always, invest carefully, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed about market trends to maximize returns while managing risks. Is Golem, $GLM, the next hidden gem in decentralized computing? Let's dive into why it's catching attention. Golem, $GLM, revolutionizes decentralized computing by offering a global network that enables users to rent out or utilize idle computing power. Ranked hash 185, it has carved a niche in the Web3 infrastructure space, empowering developers and businesses alike. What makes Golem unique is its decentralized architecture that supports intensive computing tasks like CGI rendering, machine learning, and scientific research. By leveraging blockchain technology, it ensures secure and efficient transactions between computing power providers and users. $GLM plays a pivotal role in Golem's ecosystem, facilitating payments and rewarding contributors. It also integrates seamlessly with multiple decentralized applications, solidifying its relevance across blockchain-based industries. Major collaborations with Web3 innovators underline its growth potential. With a market cap of $358.89 million and a circulating supply of 1 billion tokens, $GLM demonstrates healthy tokenomics. Compared to similar projects, its market positioning highlights a strong focus on real-world applications and usability. Market experts anticipate Golem to grow as demand for decentralized computing intensifies. With its robust ecosystem and unique use cases, $GLM could potentially see 5x to 10x growth, making it a solid choice for long-term investors. Interested in $GLM? Remember to do your own research, diversify your investments, and allocate funds wisely for a balanced crypto portfolio. Before continuing with this topic, I want to emphasize the importance of staying informed about market information and avoiding scams in the cryptocurrency market. Join my free Crypto Hunt Telegram group for up-to-date information, videos, market conditions, and to not miss out on the latest $0 airdrop opportunity that I'll be updating exclusively on my Telegram channel that no one else is talking about. Now, let's get back to the video. Delysium, $AGI, is making waves as a decentralized AI-powered gaming ecosystem, combining blockchain and AI to redefine gaming. With a market cap of $166.77 million, it's quickly gaining traction as a game-changer in the Web3 gaming sector. $AGI is central to the Delysium ecosystem, enabling users to trade, stake, and participate in governance. Positioned as a leading project in blockchain gaming, Delysium leverages AI-driven NPCs and player-owned economies to stand out in the competitive Web3 gaming space. What sets $AGI apart is its cutting-edge AI technology integrated with immersive gameplay, creating dynamic experiences tailored to each user. This innovation not only enhances user engagement, but also makes $AGI a strong contender in the decentralized gaming landscape. Delysium's real-world application includes creating a decentralized metaverse where players can earn, trade, and interact using $AGI. Backed by prominent blockchain partners, it ensures robust infrastructure and global scalability. With a circulating supply of 1.06 billion out of a 3 billion max supply, $AGI demonstrates healthy tokenomics. Comparatively, its market cap lags behind other gaming projects like Illuvium, $ILV, which boasts a $600 million valuation. This indicates growth potential as Delysium gains more adoption. Experts predict a 5x to 10x price growth for $AGI as Web3 gaming expands. Its innovative approach and strong market positioning make it a promising investment. If you're considering $AGI, act now to capitalize on its early-stage potential. Always manage risks, diversify your portfolio, and stay updated with project developments to maximize returns. SKALE, $SKALE. The blockchain that scales endlessly without sacrificing decentralization or security. Is this the future of Web3? SKALE, $SKALE, is a cutting-edge blockchain platform designed to enhance scalability and reduce costs for decentralized applications. With a market cap of $268.54 million and a circulating supply of 5.53 billion tokens, it is one of the top contenders in the Layer 2 solutions space. In the realm of Web3, SKALE stands out as a key enabler for scalable and fast dApps. Its popularity continues to grow as it supports a thriving ecosystem, offering developers the tools to build applications that cater to millions of users seamlessly. What makes SKALE unique is its ability to provide modular application-specific blockchains that can operate independently yet remain connected to the Ethereum mainnet. This approach allows for unparalleled scalability, ultra-low gas fees, and a secure environment for dApps. The $SKALE token powers the SKALE network, enabling staking, transaction fees, and governance. Supported by a strong developer community and partnerships with major blockchain projects, SKALE is paving the way for a more accessible and scalable Web3 infrastructure. With a current market cap of $268.54 million, SKALE is competitively positioned against projects like Polygon, Matic, which dominates the Layer 2 sector with a $10 billion valuation. This shows significant room for growth for $SKALE as adoption increases. Market analysts predict a potential 10x to 20x growth for $SKALE, driven by the rising demand for scalable blockchain solutions. As Web3 expands, SKALE could become a cornerstone for decentralized application development. For those looking to invest, SKALE offers a high growth opportunity. Always conduct thorough research, diversify your portfolio, and consider long-term strategies for a balanced and secure investment approach. Don't miss your chance to be part of SKALE's revolution in blockchain scalability. Altura, $ALU, is gaining recognition as a key player in the blockchain gaming and NFT space. At $0.1035 per token with a market cap of $102.48 million, it's rapidly becoming a favorite among blockchain enthusiasts. In the NFT and gaming ecosystem, Altura offers innovative solutions for integrating NFTs into gaming environments. With a total supply of 990 million tokens, it stands out for its functionality and adoption across various platforms. What makes $ALU unique is its focus on smart NFTs, which allow in-game assets to evolve and change dynamically based on user actions. This feature, combined with seamless integration with major gaming platforms, gives Altura an edge over traditional NFTs. $ALU powers the Altura platform, enabling gamers and developers to create, trade, and manage NFT-based assets with ease. The project's partnerships with leading gaming companies further cement its position as a game-changer in the industry. Compared to similar projects like Engine, $ENJ, Altura's market cap of $102.48 million leaves significant room for growth, especially as the gaming industry increasingly adopts blockchain technology. With a circulating supply equal to its total supply, $ALU exhibits strong tokenomics. Market analysts predict substantial growth for $ALU, with potential 5x to 10x returns as blockchain gaming gains traction globally. Its focus on innovation and usability positions it for exponential success. For investors, Altura represents a promising opportunity. Dive in early, but remember to diversify your portfolio and invest cautiously to maximize returns while minimizing risks. Don't miss your chance to ride the wave of blockchain gaming innovation with $ALU. Are there any coins you're holding for the upcoming bull run? Share the reasons behind your investment in the comments below so we and others can learn from you. Orchid, $OXT, is redefining online privacy with its decentralized VPN service. At $0.1111 per token, and a market cap of $108.88 million. It's a rising star in the privacy-focused blockchain ecosystem. In the decentralized privacy and security sector, $OXT plays a pivotal role by enabling secure, anonymous internet browsing. Ranked hash 426 in the crypto market, Orchid continues to gain traction as one of the top blockchain solutions for personal privacy. What makes Orchid unique is its peer-to-peer bandwidth marketplace, where users can purchase bandwidth using $OXT tokens. This system ensures complete anonymity while offering a decentralized alternative to traditional VPNs, making it stand out in the crowded privacy market. $OXT fuels the Orchid platform, allowing users to access secure internet browsing without compromising their data. With its strong commitment to privacy, Orchid has partnered with top-tier security networks, reinforcing its credibility in the blockchain space. With a circulating supply of 979.77 million tokens out of a total 1 billion, Orchid demonstrates robust tokenomics. Compared to projects like Sentinel, $DVPN, which also target privacy markets, but lack Orchid's decentralized marketplace, $OXT remains a strong contender with higher scalability and adoption potential. Experts predict $OXT could achieve 5x to 10x returns as privacy concerns and blockchain adoption grow. Its unique model and strong use case make it a valuable asset in a rapidly digitalizing world. For investors, $OXT offers a promising entry point into the blockchain privacy sector. Consider diversifying your portfolio with $OXT, but always trade cautiously and follow market trends for optimal outcomes. Secure your privacy and your investments with Orchid today. For investors, building a diversified investment portfolio is crucial. Simultaneously, maintaining investment psychology by not panicking during market fluctuations is important. Capital management is also critical, as investments should align with financial capabilities and specific investment goals. Profits and losses are inevitable in financial investments. However, investing time and belief in ourselves is always a gain. If you find this video helpful, you might also want to watch this one to better understand the market and what is worth investing your time. Now, catch you on the next video.